Hello, Montbello Middle School families. We are excited to share with you information about Montbello Middle School and early bird registration.
Early bird registration opens Monday, May 2nd, 2022 for you to register your child. Early bird registration ends on Friday, May 20th, 2022.
Early bird registration ensures that your student's information is up to date prior to the first day of school and to secure a seat at Montbello Middle School next school year from the comfort of your home. Please log in through Parent Portal through the DPS website.
Early bird registration will ensure class sizes and adequate class schedules for students. Families will receive a tentative class schedule before school begins for those families who register early.
We are here to assist you. Please reach out to us at 720-424-0930 for questions or text us at 720-275-3335 to make an appointment for in-person assistance between the hours of 7:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. at the Rachel B. Knoll campus, room 134. Thank you.